How to remove a debit or credit card on the Uber Eats application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to remove a payment method from the Uber Eats app, follow the steps. Launch the application and log in. You can use your preferred method such as mobile number, Google, Apple ID, Facebook, or email to get logged in. Then tap on the account which is on the bottom right. Now tap on Wallets option to see this page. Hereby you can view all the listed payment methods that you have added. To delete any of the debit or credit card, tap on the payment method and on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Thereby on the menu you will see the delete option. Tap on it and confirm to delete it. However, if the card you're trying to remove is your only payment method, in that case, it cannot be deleted. For this, you must add another card first. For this, tap on Add Payment Method in the Wallet section. Enter the required details for the new debit or credit card or any card that you wish to add. And once added, only then you can return to the previous steps to delete the old card that you wish to. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.